There's some serious rotation there. That is not looking good. Holy shit. Please, Jesus, don't let that touchdown. I don't know how well you can see it on the video, but looking at it in person, it's pretty crazy. You can see it almost about to touch down straight ahead there at its lowest point. It's really rotating. And I do believe that's a touchdown right there. Oh, now it's going back up. Oh, there it is again. Touchdown. Holy shit. Wow. Ridiculous. There's some debris flying. Now there's more debris flying. There's going to be a lot of debris here. I think that's going to take that building out. Now it's going behind the tree.